Oh yeah. Yeah, that's nice, huh? I think that's the actual water pump itself and not the clutch. Definitely loose in there. There you go. Alrighty, so as you can see, I replaced the water pump in the truck already, but it was still making some weird noises up front here. I did see the pump was actually wobbling back and forth, so the bearing was shot in there. I got a new one of these guys, a little idler, because this is sounds like the bearing's shot, and then my alternator here is definitely on its way out. This had a nice wobble to it too. Can't really hear it, but it makes some noise. So here's the old water pump. It was it's real tight and had a lot of play back and forth. So here's the new pulley that we got for it. So I'll quick swap that out. It looks like the same size. That's good. And then also here's the new alternator that we're putting in. So what's interesting is the ones without AC have this little different pulley on it that kind of pushes it out a little bit farther, which is kind of interesting. So if you have a 2.5 Comanche, you have to get one with this style pulley, or you could swap your other pulley over, but that's just something to consider. Okay, so out with the old. So the bearing in this was definitely shot. So now we got our new one. Looks exactly the same, which is good. Go ahead and slide that in there like that. Cool. That is one long bolt. Now this alternator should just slide right out. There we go. Nice. New guy in. Okay. Nice. All right, so something I've discovered. So I think this Jeep originally had AC and they deleted it. I believe that's part of the system, and it just gets cut off here. And this would have gone to a condenser, and the condenser's gone. So I have the wrong pulley on here then, as you can see. So all I'm going to do is I took the pulley off the old alternator, which is the AC, the one with AC. The non-AC one has like this bump out here, so it sticks out farther, so the belt was not lining up properly. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull that off and just swap the pulleys. All right, I'm sweating bullets here.
Take a look at this, will ya? Sweating bullets.
But got the pulley swapped over. So this is the old pulley. Kind of interesting. I didn't know this thing originally had AC, which is a shame that it got taken out because that would be very nice in this truck. But yeah, so now I gotta put this all back together. Just finished changing out the pulley and got the alternator in, got the belt all in here, and everything's all tightened down. So now we're gonna fire her up. Much quieter now. Excellent. Sounds great. Sweet. Alrighty, Comanche's back up and running. Seems like it's running a little bit better. I put some seafoam in it. That's what all the stuff is blowing out of here. But it seems to be idling a lot better. So, I don't know. Maybe changing those roller valves helped, and I don't know. So after I got it all put back together, I went to tighten up the battery here, and the whole connector broke off. So I have a new set of battery connectors on order, so I'll put those in another video. I also took the tank out and painted it. It was a little rusty, but I took the paint out, replaced those rollover valves. I'm still getting a lot of pressure inside the tank, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of tinkering with that on blowing out those lines that go up to the charcoal canister. Check that, just kind of fix everything. I tried a new gas cap, that didn't fix it either, so just got to do a little bit more on that. But that's going to do it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video of me working on the Comanche. If you did, definitely give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch. Definitely consider becoming a member of the channel. Obviously it'd help support me, and then you also get access to my Discord server where I got a bunch of other members there that post pictures of their Jeeps, ask questions, post videos, just kind of hang out, that kind of stuff. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.